conversations around partnership with the Zomi Christian Theological Seminary. And we're looking forward to our conversations today as we kind of continue to further explore the possibilities, and we'll see what comes of that out of our meeting today. And wonderful to see everybody here today, and blessings to each of you. Faculty, for your commitment to teaching and journeying with students in their theological journeys, preparing for ministry in whatever form that may be. And for all of you students who are in your various degree programs, certificates, as you continue to study, prepare for your ministry expressions, however they may manifest themselves in God's world. So, Dr. Kai, thank you once again for the invitation, for your hospitality, and we look forward to our conversations today. Thank you.
There you go.
This is something.
Hello. It is good to see you all again since graduation, which was a wonderful event. I enjoyed it so much, and I'm so glad that you all are here again today. I see that this is your last day here of in-person school, and I hope that you have had a wonderful learning experience, and that today goes well for you, and that your travels go well as too, that you are safe traveled. I also bring greetings. I direct a Master of Arts in Christian Ministries program for BSK. And I think that might be one of our main points of conversation today in our group. So if you would please keep us in prayer as we speak together and talk to each other about these plans, I would appreciate your prayers and your ongoing support. So enjoy. And again, thank you very much for all the times that you all have hosted me and all of us so far. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Erika.
Greetings. It is so good to see you all. It is good to see someone from Fort Worth, Texas. I'm a Texan as well, so I understand. It is colder up here, isn't it? Yes, indeed. Well, I'm so grateful that you all are able to meet in person. Isn't it a joy to gather in the body of Christ together to continue to learn about his kingdom? Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. And we are grateful for partnerships like this, and we are grateful for friendships like this that travel across the country and across the world as well. And so I bring you greetings from BSK. I'm the teaching professor of preaching, so you will get a sermon. Joking. I'm also, yes, welcome. I'm also the chief operating officer at BSK, and so we are really looking forward to further conversations around our partnerships as well. Thank you again for hosting us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.